Ang dilim pa dito. Good morning mga palangga. So I have work today. Yung oras dito is 10 to 7 in the morning. Good morning, John.
Morning.
So papunta na ako ng work mga palangga and I will see you later. Sir John.
Okay.
Right. And John already started my car, I presume. There. Kasi malamig sa labas. What do you think the temperature outside? Right. I'm going, Han. Bye. I love you. Come on. He's having his breakfast. See? Oh my God. Ang lamig sa labas.
What are you doing the camera?
Bye. I love you.
Driving. Right.
No,
Bye.
I'm not doing this
Right,
while
okay.
driving. Love you.
Love you too, Dad. Come, go.
Bye-bye! See you later! Oh gosh, mga palangga, ang temperature is 3 degrees. Gosh, it's freezing. Okay mga palangga, magdadrive muna ako and bye! Yung mukha ko, oh my God, ew! Gosh, nandito na ako sa car park mga palangga at until now, yung steering wheel is parang yellow mga palangga. Sobrang ginaw. Yung car ko kasi is wala siyang heated steering. Hindi ko yan afford. I am home! Pero yung lens ng camera ko is fogging. Thank you very much.
Clean it.
Yeah, it's fogging. Tingnan niyo yung aso namin. Pipa, pipi. And John is in the barbecue house. Are you happy to see me again?
I'm always happy to see you, my darling. You know this, yeah.
So what?
Somebody in the comments was asking, do you have a brand for the mask that you used?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just telling you.
It's Alia Skin. Yeah, the name of the mask, the brand of the mask is Alia Skin. And it's really good. It's really good because it's really wasp.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's really good, can you tell, guys? Lovely.
I love this one so much. John is here.
No, he's not.
Come on, they want to see you.
Hello.
Come on, come here.
I'm here.
Come on.
That's it. No more.
Come on. I'm gonna miss you, Anay. Are you gonna miss me?
Oh, yes.
Anyway, papakainin ko muna yung dog at i-harvest ko yung chili ko sa greenhouse namin. And shortly, we will have our lunch as well. Let's go! God, nafe-feel ko sobrang lamig sa labas. Where's the keys?
He's hiding. It's keeping you locked in so you can't escape when I chase you around the house.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
That's why people say that I am your prisoner.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
your slave.
You're my slave. Absolutely.
Yeah, let's go.
Go.
Let's go mga palangga. Let's feed the dog.
Now this is little Miss Muffet. I put it on the floor for you so it's easier. Okay. It's feed time. Come on.
Biba? Bibi? That's it.
That's it.
I did it.
Right.
Let's go to the greenhouse and I will show them the chilies.
What about all the tomatoes as well? You now the skinheads. I've chopped all the leaves off. There's still lots of tomatoes left.
Yeah.
Look.
Show them the tomatoes.
Look at that. Them two plants there alone. They're just.
They said the chilies in the Philippines are very expensive.
Are they? We could send them.
Yeah, somebody asking that you're so rich now because you got a lot of chilies.
Do with them.
I'm getting them all, harvesting them. Honey, can you give me a plate, please?
Right, I need to stand here. Oh.
Right, thank you very much. Hindi ko alam Hindi ko alam mga palangga kung nakikita. Ano bang ginawa ni Jan, oy? Hindi ko alam mga palangga kung nakikita niyo ako, pero mag-harvest tayo ng chili kasi sobrang dami ng chili. At sabi ng iba na gawin ko daw na chili oil. So, mag-search ako kung paano gawin yung chili oil kasi sobrang daming chilis mga palangga. Parang, I think I will have a kilo here. Thank you, Han.
Okay, that's right. Okay. That's still also great, quite a few great ones.
Don't mind the nettles.
Ah, it sting me.
I can't get it. You have to watch it.
It sting me, the nettle.
Yeah, the one in the middle of it. Look.
Oh my God, mga palangga. Hindi niyo alam kung tingnan niyo. Ang dami, and I think I have 2 kilo in here. Look at that. Sobrang happy ako dito mga palangga. Sana no, may mapagbigyan ako kasi sa neighbor kasi namin nag-offer ako na ibigay ito sa kanila pero they don't like chilies.
We should have got some of this.
Oh. We're going out to get some carrots and sweet in the garden. Come on, John.
No.
Come on, senor. Come on. You too. Let's go. Get the knife.
What we're filming, your big wellies.
Willis. I got a big Willis.
Not wellies, not Willy. Wellies. Don't be naughty.
No, I'm not.
Come on, hurry up.
I'm trying, but this Willis is very heavy.
She's just weak because she does no exercise. That's all it is. Watch out for rats. It's out and you can smash the greenhouse. Look at her. Princess. Look at synchronised tinkling with them dogs, look. I think the plum's gone. Our last plum.
Yeah, our last plum mga palangga, it's gone. I think the bird eats it.
No, but wasps, they love them. Whoa, look at these carrots. You see, hasn't it made a difference we're doing the mounds like I said? Because it's because the ground has been soft wet and allowed them to go down, hasn't it, you see? So
Look at that!
that's what you call Boris. That's a proper carrot.
That's it, that's
That's a
enough.
proper carrot, that, isn't
I
it?
think that's enough.
Yeah, yeah. Are we having a
Oh my God!
are you having a Swede?
Yeah. Good husband should do this.
No, a good husband is filming like you asked me to. Get it right. Look at her, she's violence with that knife, look. Why did you chop it there?
Why not?
Oh, it's a handle, is it?
It's a handle.
Okay,
Because it's dirty.
okay.
Let's go.
That's one big carrot, that. Look, just put that against the Swede. Look at the
Yeah.
size of it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big one.
So yeah, I like gardening, and because where I came from, we got a reasonable size of land. It's not massive, not very massive land, but we got a farm. So yeah.
See, we've got excited dogs now. Look, dangerous weapon. Well, that's obviously been a successful carrot growing year anyway.
Yeah, because last year it's not been so good. Oh my God, ang lamig sa labas mga palangga. Pinalabas ko yung aso ko kasi Jan will not do it. He let me do it just, you know, in case that I need to do this, to do that. So, yun yung routine ko when Jan is away. At hindi pa din ako nakakita ng recipe kung paano gawin ang chili powder. I think you just dried it and mashed it, I presume. Or chili oil. Maghahanap muna ako ng recipe sa online mga palangga kasi sayang naman tong chili oil. Kasi nag-offer ako sa mga kapitbahay ko dito, sa katrabaho ko din, ayaw nila. Ano daw ang gagawin nila sa chili kasi Ayaw nila ng mga chili foods. So, ayun. At hindi ko naman makakain to lahat. Uy, Diyos ko! Kung sa ano pa lang to sa Pilipinas, ipamimigay ko talaga to. Oh my gosh! Sarap ng amoy ng chili. Pero, hindi ako kumakain ng fresh chili, mga palangga. Gusto ko lang yung ito, ilagay ito sa suka. Tapos mangga. Naglalaway ako, mga palangga. I don't know why. I like the combination of mangga, tapos suka with chili on it. Or sometimes, mangga, tapos bagoong. Or another combination is mangga, soy sauce, and brown sugar. Oh gosh, naglalaway na ako. At nakakatuwa yung kaibigan ni Jen, mga palangga, kasi sabi niya, I think few friends of him nagsabi sa akin na if I feel uneasy, tawagan ko lang daw sila at they will come to the house. So, yun. Sobrang mabait nila sa akin. So, thankful din naman ako na kung may kumatok sa bahay, di tawagan ko sila kasi takot din ako. Good morning! Work na naman tayo, mga palangga. So, yung oras dito is 5 to 7 in the morning.
5 to 7 in the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What?
So, ito yung baon ko, mga palangga. Potatoes and chicken. And I got a mashed parsnips and sweet in there. And I got yogurt.
And chili.
And chili. Han!
Cold hands, this fella.
You know what you do. Okay?
What?
Take care.
Oh, I know this. I always take care, darling.
I'm gonna miss you.
Yeah, can you watch the roads because there's ice? And I mean it. Are you listening to your husband? Yes, don't go screaming.
Dadalhin ko sana kayo sa work, mga palangga, pero ayaw ni John. So, anyway, pag uwi ko galing sa work, ako na lang mag-isa at tayo. Kasama ko kayo. So, anyway, I will see you after work. Hi, mga palangga. So, kakauwi ko lang galing sa trabaho at alam niyo, mga palangga, bawat kilos ko dito sa bahay naririnig ko kasi wala si Jan at nasanay kasi ako na umuwi ng bahay at si Jan sasabihin niya na hello, welcome home my beautiful wife, mga ganyan-ganyan. At ngayon, wala. Parang nakakalungkot. Ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay. So, papalabasin ko muna yung aso. So, yung oras dito is 9:45 in the evening. So, papalabasin natin yung aso kasi kawawa naman, no? So, ayun na, mga palangga. Napalabas ko na yung alaga namin at dahil wala si Mister, magtitimpla tayo ng kape. Kasi mostly talaga, mga palangga, galing ko sa trabaho, meron na akong kape na nakaantay sa akin. Pero, yun. Magtitimpla tayo para sa sarili natin. I am so tired, mga palangga. So, matutulog na ako kasi yung oras dito is 10:15 in the evening. At yung paa ko, mga palangga, is killing me. Yung talampakan ng paa ko is sobrang sakit. At bago matulog, hugasan ko muna yung face ko. So, good night, mga palangga. And I will see you in my next video. And bye!